Now let's talk about the candlestick chart. So stock data analysis is no easy task. And once you have a lot of historical stock data, it's hard to visualize the trend using technical analysis without any sort of tool, right? So thankfully, Excel has a lot of stock charts that you could use. And one of them is this one, the candlestick chart. So you can see here on the right, the finished product. And what we have here is our data that we're going to be using with our stock prices, right? For the open, high, low, and closing price. And we want it to be represented as a candlestick chart over here. And before we start creating our chart, what we need to take note of is you need a date column, right? For the first column over here. And it should be followed in this specific order: open, high, low, and then the close column. And this is the exact order that we need to follow to be able to create the candlestick chart. Okay, so let's get started. Let's just delete this chart. And the first step is let's highlight the data of our stock prices, right? On how it changes over time. Let's go to Insert. Let's go to Recommended Charts, All Charts. And then there's a stock selection over here. And then once we go over the choices, there's the open, high, low, close, right? Make sure that's selected. Looks good. Go OK. Let's enlarge this a bit over here. And then we could just change our design to perhaps this one. And you could see over here that our candlestick chart is ready. And then you see the vertical lines that indicates the range of low and high prices over here, right? And then there's also the ticker column for the opening and closing prices. And then we can just go on the chart title. We don't need this. Let's go delete. And with just this, it's now complete for your candlestick chart.